We rolling. So's the lawnmower guy.
You know, every once in a while, I get in the mood for a quick fix. I call it a quick fix, which is pertinent today because it is probably about to Florida storm on us. So we're gonna go quick.
Which is happening a lot.
You wanna do this in one take? Like start to finish?
Start to finish, no nothing.
Yeah.
Let's get it done.
Well, we gotta do an intro.
Okay.
In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a chickadee cheesesteak. Falling into your trap. That was lightning.
Yep.
I don't even know what to call it.
We call it a...
Here's the thing, if I call it a cheesesteak, everyone's gonna get pissed. If I call it a...
Oh, geez, fine.
If I call it a Philly.
It's a chickadee.
We're gonna call it...
Okay, whatever.
We are gonna call it a chickadee cheese chicken sandwich with M's.
Lots of... I hate the M's.
Well, then we're calling it a sandwich.
Okay.
It's a cheesesteak, kind of. It's nothing like a cheesesteak. It's a chicken
Whatever
sandwich.
it was on the live the other day was good. A chickadee...
It's Nate's Delicious Chicken Sandwich Quick Fix.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Let's do it.
Are we rolling?
No, we've been rolling.
We done been rolling.
We done been rolling.
And that thunder's rolling.
Yes, it is.
And thunder rolls, and the lightning strikes.
Those are great stabs.
Touche. Old Garth Brooks, amazing.
My wife loves Old Garth Brooks.
Yeah, me too. All right, chickadee China, the Chinese chicken. We're using chicken cutlets today because they cook really quick, and we need to go as quickly as possible because we're gonna get some thunder.
Stop talking and just start cooking.
Whose show is this?
Oh,
I'm gonna steal your line. All right, so I've got some chicken cutlets. These are basically just chicken breasts cut. So if you don't have chicken cutlets, you have chicken breasts, you can either pound them out or you can slice them really thin. I'm gonna hit these with a bit of salt and pepper and some of my new favorite.
What do we
This guy right here.
Yes.
The cheesesteak. If you guys haven't had this, it is awesome. You can find that at Walmart. I heard it's actually a little difficult to find in some areas.
Dude,
give it a chance. It will make its way.
My buddy in Texas, he's like, he went to 2 Walmarts, couldn't find it.
Oh.
Everything's like sold out or something.
Because all you guys are buying it.
All
right, here we go. I've got some olive oil. I've got my griddle, my 36-inch griddle at low. I'm gonna crank it up a little. Let's go to medium heat.
That sounds like an okay idea.
Let's go to medium heat. We want a good sear, a good sizzle. We're looking good. All right, grab our tongs.
Oh my god! Thunder!
We gotta move really quick.
Yeah, we're gonna
No
die.
more singing. All right, I'll just do 2 for now.
Okay. This might be our last meal.
I'm gonna hit that again with salt and pepper on both of these guys, and some of that cheesesteak. Now, if you haven't had this cheesesteak seasoning, I think it's our most versatile. I don't know what you think, CJ. Put this stuff on French fries, on popcorn, on
chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Heck yeah, on the chicken wings. All right, let's talk about vegetables. Let's talk about knife skills, CJ.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do basically kind of like a cheesesteak prep, right? On my onions and on my peppers. We've done this trick before, but let's go ahead and do it again. The proper way to cut a bell pepper.
Is it proper or is it just good?
It's proper. How about this? It's the most efficient way, right? To have the least amount of waste. So you cut off the bottom and the top, cut down one of those sides, and then we're gonna roll so we catch the pith as we roll. And what we're left with is a beautifully peeled pepper with no pith, right?
Yes.
Right? All right, now we're going to do a Julienne, just pretty much the same size as our onions. It's looking pretty good. These are pretty
decent knife skills for a beginner. You've been watching my show, right?
I have.
Learning?
CJ's first cooking show. Hey, speaking of which, if anybody has gone to Teespring and bought a t-shirt, go buy one of CJ's first cooking show t-shirts.
Or buy one of Nate's.
That is the first time you've actually encouraged someone to...
Oh. Okay.
Did I do that too fast? Because that... Boom.
Whoa!
Boom, sucker. Now here's where things get fuzzy when you start calling something a cheesesteak. Ask Betty. Even worse if I call it a Philly.
Oh, Philly.
A Philly. We are definitely not from Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. Although my father is. Maybe I should... Well, my father was a piano mover.
Yes, but my father was a piano mover, so.
Alright, that looks good. Oh wait, I'm gonna do some mushrooms too.
Why do we gotta ruin it with mushrooms?
Because I love you, CJ.
They're so gross, man.
You're so gross, man.
Your mom goes to college.
Your mom goes to college.
I don't even know why that was like a mean thing to say.
I don't.
That's brilliant. Alright, let's check on our chicken. Grab my tongs. I bet we are perfection. Ready for this? Oh yeah. That's another really nice thing about that seasoning. It browns really nicely, gives us that beautiful crust. I'm gonna slide this over just a little bit. I'm gonna add a bit more olive oil and all of my vegetables. We're gonna kind of cook everything together in their own juices so it all gets wonderful and delicious. And those mushrooms look gorgeous, CJ.
If you say so, guy.
I do say so, guy.
They taste disgusting.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the same thing here, salt and pepper and some of that cheesesteak seasoning. Pretty simple so far, CJ.
So far, very simple.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Does it? That sounds like something losers say.
Losers complain about their best.
Bro.
Losers always whine about their best.
Sean Connery.
Can I get one? Because that has yet to be quoted. I win. It's a good one. I think an ant bit me. Like full on.
Bro, this is...
Come on.
This is not a good day.
Here we go.
Perhaps today is a good day to die. Perhaps today is a good day to die.
Losers always complain about their best. It's a decent impersonation. It's pretty
Good.
Pretty good. Carla was the prom queen.
Dude.
That was alright.
That was okay.
We'll try it again.
Okay.
Carla was the prom queen.
Oh, dude, that was not good either. It's hard to do Nicolas Cage, man.
It is. Let's look and let those cook for just a touch. You know what I'm gonna do here? I am actually going to give that thunder a minute. Holy jeez. Let's keep cruising. I'm gonna take, you know this trick, right, buddy?
I
You
do.
take our spatula and just give it a 1-2 right there on the griddle top. All right, let's talk about cheese and bread, shall we? You guys know I'm a big fan of Martin's potato rolls. They also make hoagies. They're nice and soft. I did this recipe not too long ago with like a baguette. It wasn't a baguette, it was like more like a Cuban bread kind of long loaf, and it was just too crispy. You need a soft roll for this one.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You know, so
that way
this
it's
one,
more like a fillet.
Yeah, this one's really, really nice and soft. Really, really lovely. All right, well, our vegetables and our chicken is cooking. Let's talk about sauce. Now I'm breaking all the rules here, CJ. I actually feel like I'm taking a note from you because you inspire me too, buddy.
Well,
We all inspire someone.
each other?
Yeah.
Or somebody.
I'm gonna go with some ranch and some buffalo sauce. So maybe are we changing the game now?
Certainly changing the game.
Oh yeah. This is my jam. I can put this on anything. So good. You know what? I'm gonna leave it like that because I think it's pretty.
Dude, it's really awesome looking.
Beautiful.
Yeah, leave it just
There
like
we
that.
go. Leave it like that. Let's give our vegetables and our chicken a toss. Beautiful. All right, now here's what we're gonna do. That chicken's looking perfect. Why don't you just do one big, beautiful sandwich?
Do it.
Do it.
Okay. Do it. Do it.
Also, that will save time on our life.
The rain.
The rain is coming.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna put all of my chicken together, nicely like that. All of these delicious veggies over the top. That's okay if they spill over the sides. Our cheese is gonna kind of act like some glue.
Dude, this is gonna be like 2 or maybe 4?
We'll split it. We'll split the sandwich.
Okay.
That looks perfect.
That looks nice.
That looks
Whoa! 5?
5. All right, now I'm gonna take my dome and a little bit of water. You guys know this trick. Steam it up. Bam, bam. I like it. I like the way you work it.
I like the way you work it. No diggity. About to bag it up.
Bang it up.
I feel like,
We shouldn't have done that.
yeah.
In the thunder rolls.
Much more manly.
Lightning strikes. Ready for the reveal? Here we go.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
All right, here we go. Oh wait, I almost forgot.
Oh, we need
Bear
we're
bread.
lacking sauce.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I could be a little generous here.
Do it.
You do it.
Okay.
There we go. All right, now we're gonna go right on top. Our sandwich looks
Pretty awesome.
pretty whoa. How are we gonna do this, buddy?
We need
Carefully?
Yeah.
Very carefully?
Very carefully.
All right, here we go.
Oh, man.
Oh, I hit your mic.
Yep.
Here we are, ready?
Woo! Oh, man. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no!
We made it.
I burnt my tongue earlier, and you burnt your hand lightly.
Totally. Totes. Boom. Holy whoa. That's what I'm talking about. You know, whether it's raining or not, quick fix is always fun. Having a really fun recipe that you can just bang out for a bunch of people or just for yourself. I'll show you how to clean that up in a second, because that's gonna be a slight mess and totally
Yep, burnt.
burnt cheese on the finger. Here we go. That's a masterpiece, buddy.
Bro, quick.
Cut that in half.
Quick fix.
Super quick. Quick
Rain,
enough to burn myself.
thunder.
Woo! Look at that! Look at that!
Oh, yeah.
Can
So
I?
you burnt your hand. Be
Yeah, but
careful
it
not to
doesn't
burn
even
your
matter.
mouth.
Can we?
Yep.
Whoa.
Yes.
Wotown. Wotown Records.
Motown Records. That's a good one.
Very cool. Cheesesteak is phenomenal. The seasoning, not the chickadee cheese. What do we call it? Sandwich.
Yeah. Nate's chicken sandwich thing.
That's all right though, because it's delicious.
Yep.
It's wonderful. This is a quick fix. One of those really fun things you can do in a hurry, whether you're cooking for a whole bunch of people, or you got bit by an ant. I really did.
Bro,
I got tagged.
yeah. Oh man, you got burned.
I got burned.
And
I got bit by an
bit.
ant. Lightning's
Rained
all
on.
around us. Our pets' heads are falling off. Our pets' heads are falling off. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and a ton more. Check out CJ's first cooking show, Family Style with Blackstone Betty, and let's give it a try with the one,
The only.
Todd Joven. If you guys haven't seen it yet, check down below if you're on YouTube, or go to teespring.com. We have a bunch of fun shirts. CJ Frazier,
Yes, sir.
this has been a blast.
Yes, it has.
I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. This has been a quick fix where I burnt myself
And got bit,
and got bit
and we put our lives on the line
every day.
every day for those folks out
One of the
there.
front lines of flavor.
We're braving it.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Wait, can we just...
We can. Cheers, everyone. Wait, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.